One day I decided it was finally time to finish a few forgotten wire armatures that had been sitting on my shelf for far too long. Let's see what my fluffy assistants and I managed to turn some of them into. A tiny creature that feeds on sunlight and the morning dew. Golden gemstones and clear crystals grow upon its body, gathering and storing the energy of nature, while the elegant spirals winding around it seem to strengthen its bond with the world, curling gently as if trying to embrace it. Wherever it wanders, plants grow faster, water becomes purer, and the air is filled with a refreshing sense of life. But should anyone frighten it, the creature vanishes into an instant, dissolving into nature itself as though it had never existed. This creature appears wherever life begins to return to a forest scarred by fire. The first shoots break through the charred earth, ash gives way to fresh grass, and new leaves unfurl among the blackened trunks, awakening the guardian of renewal. Its mane and tail are made of living shoots, symbols of new life. It silently wanders the burned woodland, protecting every young tree and every fragile sprout that survived the flames. It is said that after its arrival, nature begins to heal more quickly. The soil grows fertile once more, animals return to the forest, and the dark silhouettes of burnt trees are slowly cloaked in a fresh greenery. To witness this creature is a rare blessing, for it appears only where hope has already taken root. This beast is the twilight guardian of the boundary between dreams and reality. Its dark coat allows it to vanish along the edge of the two worlds. The feathers and the glowing curls are memories of the spirits it has guided on their final journey from the realm of dreams. It never strikes first, choosing only to fulfill its purpose. Silent as a shadow, it watches from the darkness, revealing itself only to those whose hearts are pure. When the first rays of dawn touch the earth, sun lightning can be seen soaring among the clouds. Its fur glows with radiant light, while its multicolored wings leave delicate trails of shimmering brilliance in the sky. This magical creature is born where sunlight meets storm clouds. Lightning flows through its body, sending tiny sparks dancing between its feathers as it flies, each beat of its wings accompanied by a soft crackle of electricity. Legends say it can tame lightning itself, guiding its power harmlessly back into the sky. Its eyes are filled with kindness and curiosity. It is said that anyone who earns the trust of sun lightning will find the courage to follow their own path, even through the fiercest storm.